Hello everyone, this is Linda. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Last time I visited India, I came across to see this beautiful caterpillar. The poor thing was bitten by ants. So I took a twig and made him climb it. Isn't he so beautiful? I found him in the garden. He was crawling around. He was so small, cute, slow, and fuzzy. He was having this beautiful blue color stripes on his body and spines all over his body. Now he figured it out, he was safe from ants who were attacking him, but not from the other predators. Nature never goes out of style. It is the closest place to heaven on earth. He was so confused, thinking what was going on around him. So I placed him in between the plants. There is a beautiful saying, just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a beautiful butterfly. I was hoping to see him turn into a beautiful butterfly, but wasn't able to see it. For more exciting and wonderful videos, keep watching, keep supporting my channel. Thanks for watching.